Oh. Hello, sir.
How are you doing?
Good, good, good. Yeah.
David, is it?
Yes, sir. You didn't take a time for him, did you?
I did, yeah.
Yeah. Well, mine has to be less.
Oh, yours has
quicker.
to be. We need to be quicker.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Has to be quicker. Has to be. Mike, your nerves settled down after him.
Oh god damn, yeah.
You're
I'm a
okay.
nervous wreck all day, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
And it's only my first day on the job.
You probably had me 22 years ago.
No, funny. I'm not that old. We're here when it was gravel.
Yeah. In the Subaru.
In the Subaru, in the wee two-door one.
Yeah.
Some car, wasn't it?
Some car.
Kind of stuttering here. Oh, I stick your thumb up at the camera. Hey, come in. You didn't say hello to the camera.
Oh, come on.
Come in. You'll have to go around the other door.
You do?
Yeah. There's a couple of wee things in this. She's a bit different to the other two cars. She's a lot lighter. Is that all right?
A lot lighter.
Yeah. The key thing on that is to be smoother with your steering. So any corner you're going into, as I was saying to you when I was briefing, is torn from 12 to 6. It's smooth. Brake off, torn, and then bring it back on the power. When you're giving it the power, try to feel the power, more so than floor it.
Yeah.
Feel it in. Raddy cross already. Stay wide and deep. Now get off the brake there and bring it all the way into it. Let her into it. Now give her a wee bit of gas. Go on, drive out of it. And your way. Go on. Stay in. Now bring it into me. Let her in. Let her into it. Now give her a bit of gas. Open the wheels and give her beans. Give her a bit. Open the wheels and your way. Stay to me. Now get off it. Wait. Let her turn for 6. Now give her the gas. Go on. Now give her the beans out of here. And we're away. Stay to your right. Back the second on your brakes and bringing it into me. Wait. Happy days.
Absolutely.
That job. A bit wider. Go wider. Clutch in. Now drop it into the middle. Come into second. To keep you busy. A wee bit like the white. Steady now braking. Now get. Stay out of the line. The nice steady brake. Lovely. Well done, David. All the way over you by you. Tight and clutch in and go really wide for a nice handbrake with a finish. Now drop her into the middle. And then down in she goes. Absolutely brilliant. Well done. How was that, David?
Fantastic.
That's a good job, wasn't it?
Now the top. Fantastic.
He done a 108 81. You done a 107 31.
That car that's a bit of fun.
Yeah, and it's easy drive.
It is, yeah. It just was responding beautifully.
Oh, it's very responsive. Do you know what I mean?